Need a last-minute dessert? All you need to know how to do is whip some cream. A bowl of whipped cream can be turned into anything from fools to a trifle to chocolate mousse. Let me show you how you can make a fast and fancy dessert in less than 20 minutes. Basic whipped cream is just heavy cream, but you can add sugar and vanilla to sweeten and flavor it. You'll need a big bowl and a hand mixer. Whip the cream on medium speed. Now's a great time to add sugar and vanilla if you're going to use them. As we get closer to soft peaks, you'll start to see trails from the mixer in the cream. This is what soft peaks look like. Soft peaks are great for finishing desserts or putting on top of our chocolate mousse. This is what medium peaks look like. Medium peaks are great for foules and semi-Fredos. This is what stiff peaks look like. If you over-whip the cream, you'll see little blobs of fat. You can fix over-whipped cream by adding a little more heavy cream and gently folding it in. To make chocolate mousse, fold in melted chocolate, add the cream in thirds, and gently fold so you don't deflate your beautiful whipped cream. Here's what folding looks like. Gently scoop the spatula underneath the chocolate and fold it up over the whipped cream. Let's take a closer look. Portion your chocolate mousse into small serving dishes and chill for 4 hours. Top the finished mousse with some of that softly whipped cream and something crunchy like chopped toasted hazelnuts. And that's how you turn whipped cream into dessert. Thanks for watching.